In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download all files in Emergent AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to navigate to your project, open the code workspace, and download the files you need quickly and safely. Start by heading to the Emergent AI homepage and sign in if you're not already. On this landing view, you can create new work, but for our purpose, we'll use what already exists. Scroll down until you see the Recent Tasks section. This is where your most recent sites or tasks are listed, making it easy to jump back into active work. Find the site or task you want to pull files from and open it. At the top of the page, look for the code option and click it. This opens the project's code environment where your files live. Here you'll typically see options to copy a secure link and a password for that workspace. If you prefer, you can copy both the link and the password now, so you can open the workspace in a new browser tab. Keep that password private and don't share it. Alternatively, you can simply choose Open in Browser to launch the workspace directly without copying anything. If you use the link and password route, paste the link into a new tab and authenticate with the password when prompted. Once the code workspace loads, you'll see a file explorer on the left. Navigate to the folder or file you want to download. To grab everything in one go, select the top-level project folder or the specific folder that contains the assets you need. Right, click on your selection to open the context menu, then choose Download. If you've selected a folder, the environment may package it as a single archive, so you can download all included files together. If you picked an individual file, it will download directly. Your browser or the site might display a prompt asking for permission to start the download or to keep the session active. Approve any safe expected prompts so the download can proceed. Depending on the size of your files and your connection, it may take a moment. Just let it run until it finishes and don't navigate away from the page while it's working. That's it. You navigated to your recent task, opened the code workspace, accessed it via secure link or directly in the browser, and downloaded your files, whether a single file or an entire folder. For best results, ensure you have enough disk space, a stable internet connection, and that your browser allows downloads from this site. If nothing appears, check your pop-up or download blockers and try again.